Start.
Yeah. So today we are going to see how a flexible cystoscope look like. Arnold, you can focus here.
Okay.
You can come here with me. So this is the ocular piece and ocular window, just like anything else. This is to focus the camera. The camera will be fitted here, obviously. This is your hand piece that from which you can rotate it. You see, when you go, focus here, please. When you go down, it goes up, and when you go up, it goes down. And by rotation of your wrist, you can manipulate it to 180 and 180 and see the entire wall of the bladder as well. This is for the light source. So this is the ocular window, the ocular lens. This is for the focus of the camera. This is for the handpiece for rotation of the shaft. This is for the light source, and this is the working channel. So what we do here, we attach the working channel here. Yeah, if we want to attach the camera here, the camera will go like this, and this is the node for the working channel. So if we attach the working channel here, and it's a lower lock mechanism like anything else. And if we open this, the guide wire, the stent removing faucet, we go from here. Alright? And this is the shaft of the spool. It's like 35 to 40 centimeter long, and it helps us to go inside the bladder and then look a little easier without making it hot knees and nails. And by manipulating this like this, you can rotate and go inside and have a look. This is light source like anything else. So if I place it here for your V and a vein, 10 euros, thank you. So if I place it here, this is for the camera, the eyepiece, for the light source, the working channel will be here for the guide wire and removing faucet. And this is for the shaft. So that's a small 1 to 2 minute video if you want to prepare for your exam for regarding flexible cystoscope. Thank you, Arnold. Thank you, Rose.